Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
Holy Stone HS170 Predator Mini RC Helicopter Drone 2.4 GHz 6-axis gyro 4 channels quadcopter. Good choice for drone training. Headless security system enables players of any level to fly the drone easily. 2. 4 GHz technology adopted for anti-interference. More stable and flexible with 6-axis gyro stabilization system. Good performance of wind-resistant control range, about 30 to 50 meters. Flight time, about 6 to 8 minutes. Charging time, about 45 to 60 minutes. Undercurrents input 0. 5A1A. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.